Are you experiencing problems with your home's foundation? Do you notice cracks in your walls or uneven floors? If so, you may have a foundation problem that requires professional attention. During a game of pool, the family realized that the pool table was uneven, causing the balls to roll in one direction. They turned to their parents, who recommended Matt Clark's Northern Basement Systems. The family scheduled a free inspection with Northern Basement Systems. The technician explained the causes of foundation sinking and how it can be fixed permanently using steel piers. The family was impressed with the technician's knowledge and expertise, and they felt confident in the company's ability to solve their foundation problems. The Northern Basement Systems crew arrived to repair the foundation, and the family was amazed at the quality of their work. The crew was professional, efficient, and respectful of the family's home. They used steel piers to stabilize the foundation and lift it back to a level position. The crew also filled in any cracks in the foundation and left the family's basement cleaner than when they arrived. After the job was complete, the family was thrilled with the results. Their foundation was stable, and their home was safer than ever before. They were impressed with the quality of work and the professionalism of the Northern Basement Systems crew. They were also grateful for the company's commitment to providing permanent solutions to their foundation problems. If you're experiencing foundation issues, don't wait to get help. Contact Matt Clark's Northern Basement Systems for a free inspection and learn how they can provide a permanent solution to your foundation problems. That's 855 Dry Time or www.northernbasements.com.